So, how can we make a simple interaction for a user that shows them something has been selected? For example, let's say the user wants to select wedding, but they say selected, but nothing happens. What if we can have an indicator where it could be maybe the wording change colors, a check mark pops up, an outline around the border of the box lights up, or something to let the user know that that has been selected. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come here, and I already have it over here. So what we're gonna do is, matter of fact, let me start all over for you guys. Let me go to this one here. What we're gonna do is we're usually gonna drag this. Let me put it here. So we're gonna drag it over in our box where we're working from. This is like my little art box. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it a component. Okay. So we're gonna click right here, make it a component. Then we're gonna add a variant to it. So the variant is gonna be where we make the changes. So we're gonna go into it. We're gonna go here. And all I'm gonna do on mine is just add a stroke. Change the color of the stroke to a light purple. That's the theme of the app. And I'm going to change the wording to that same color. Now what we need to do is we need to go into prototype. And we're going to make it where once they select it, it goes there. We're going to keep it simple right now. And if they select it again to click off of it, it goes to this one. So now what we're going to do now is we're just going to run a test. Go down here to my test option. And we're going to pull in that same variant, which is which one? The romance one. So we're going to pull in the romance one right here. And now let's run a test on it. And let's see what we have. We're going to run a test. So right now, if we click on it, if I'm a user and I click on it, this should light up. Look at there. It lights up to let them know that it has been selected. Let's say they clicked it on accident. Click it again, it's off. So they can now click and click off of it, where they now have an indicator to let them know that that has been selected. All right, this has been UX with Jack. I hope this helps somebody out.